This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Beverly Carter. Beautiful custom home with extra touches. Warm, comfortable floor plan with great windows. Irresistible charm. Walk in the front door is to fall in love with this house. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths plus an office and 3-car garage is located on a large lot with privacy, including a gorgeous backyard with covered patio and outdoor kitchen that backs up to a wooded area and is surrounded with a wrought iron fence. Enjoy the spacious open living area with a rocked gas logs fireplace and windows with a country view. This bright kitchen with beautiful granite has enough cabinets for any cook. Oversized center island with eating bar, perfect place to gather or kids to do homework. Upgraded kitchen appliances including the refrigerator, double ovens remain with property. Also add a large pantry and beautiful wood floors that are throughout the living area and office. Dining area is off the kitchen and near the patio. Split bedroom arrangement. Master bedroom works great for your king-size bed and has tray ceilings. Master bath with large vanity has double sinks, spacious walk-in shower and attractive tile throughout. This floor plan is great with the master bedroom/bath leading to the laundry room for convenience. 2 more bedrooms are located on the other side of the home with a full bath. Also, the office has a closet and could be converted to 4th bedroom if needed, and a half bath near for company utility room with added storage cabinets and desk that could be used for many things, even an extra office area. Now comes out the back door to the large covered patio and outdoor kitchen, includes stainless steel grill, refrigerator and more. Stay cool with a ceiling fan and you can also bring your big screen TV. The extended patio has a brick fireplace for winter evenings. Also, home has lovely landscaping and sprinkler system. This is a must to see. 3-car garage with storm shelter and floor for Oklahoma weather. The playground is directly across the stre. For more information, review the details below or contact Beverly Carter at 405-743-9618.